it's Zena Warthog Princess, and today we have Vera Mail! Little unboxing from the online outlet sale that just recently happened. The first item right on top actually came yesterday, and it is the Small Foldable Suitcase. Small Foldable Suitcase in the Diamond Foulard. It's a beautiful purple color with little sort of pink and blue flowers in between the diamonds, Diamond Foulard. So I will do a review on this later because I have this being the final piece to my set. So now I have the large, the small, and the perfect companion traveler bag. So I'll show you those in a separate video, probably right behind this one. So stay tuned for that. But that is the first item. The second, and the rest is in the box. So let's see. Oh yes, excellent. It's like Christmas. I love getting Vera Mail. Okay, so in no particular order, the first item is the throw in the night sky. I did actually already have this exact blanket, but I gave it away to a friend. It was still in the bag, and I thought they needed it more than I did. So I'm really glad I did that, but since it was on sale and it was a good price, I went ahead and replenished the one I have. If you watch the throw video, there was another one that looks very similar to this, but it's the cozy throw. So a little bit different, but I wanted them both. So that's that one. The next item is the Lighten Up Hanging Travel Organizer. I got this particular pattern in the Dream Diamonds because this is the pattern I'm planning to take for my upcoming travels. And so I wanted to give the Lighten Up a try. This is a perfect opportunity to do that. So we will see. But these are, of course, they have the two holding handles and then the ties. You open it up and, let's get rid of that, and it just hangs. So you can put all your different makeup or toiletries or jewelry, whatever. I'm gonna do more of like toiletries or possibly my travel first aid, I don't know. Lots of stuff and lots of potential. So I got that one, but that's not the only one because I do travel and I do like to just keep my things always organized, ready to just grab and go. So I actually got two of them so that I'd have a backup anytime. So the Lighten Up in, what is it, Superbloom Sketch? Yes, Superbloom Sketch. So just a couple different color varieties, but the same piece. This one having so many colors in it, I think it'll match some of my other things, but we'll see. All right, next item, ooh, a coupon, yay. Okay, so the next two items are both the same really. It's the Travel Cosmetic. You might think I'm stockpiling these days, but actually no. It just so happens that I really liked the one that I already bought recently, so I bought two more. These are kind of funny because the outside is this berry burst, but inside the two colors I got Lilac Medallion and Winterberry. So it's funny to me that the container is berry burst, but the inside pattern, there's your Winterberry. Oh my goodness, there's paper everywhere in these things. And here's the other piece, which goes with this one. So that's interesting to me that now you have three different patterns essentially in there that are just totally different, but they kind of match. That's fine. And then the other one is the Lilac Medallion, which comes with the same odd combination of berry burst. Oh my goodness, paper's everywhere. And then inside you have the same berry burst on top. So there's your Lilac Medallion and its coordinating piece. So these I discovered, I don't really care so much for the brush part, whatever, I can figure out stuff for that, but this is what I wanted really. These are great, I will use them lots and lots, but this is what I wanted because they stack really nicely, assuming that they have stuff in them, and they're zipped, but so underneath my sink I have different groups of things, so you might have like excess hair ties in one and some whatever. Anyway, so now I have 3 of them, and I am perfectly set for storing things in my bathroom. So that is it for this haul. Sort of some repeats and nothing very exciting, but to me, I'm very excited because I've just sort of filled in the gaps of some things I was looking for. More to come because there's a retail sale coming up. If you haven't heard, 1 to 4 August is a celebration of Vera's birthday, so everything's going to be 25% off. And the sale items, I think, are still going on through the end of the month. There may be some ups and downs with that, but the regular 25% off everything for Vera's birthday, even though her birthday is not until like August 9th, I think it is. But every year we celebrate it and we have a nice sale. So happy birthday to Vera, and see you all again soon. Bye for now.